I was always in a mindset that digital marketing is very difficult. It is not for people like us. So I thought I cannot do it. But then when I started taking the course, I realized this is so damn easy. Anyone can do it. If I can do it, anyone can do it. First thing, the mindset, because if that is there, anything can be achieved. So the first thing I learned is about the mindset. I know I have got the self confidence to speak to anybody, quit 9 to 5 work, be a digital nomad. That is what attracted me. This is what I was looking for. It has come to me like a calling. No, I have to do this. Yes, in fact, you delivered more than what I expected and all. But no, this 30-day thing was like 300 days training for me.
Hi everyone, meet Mithuna. She's a digital nomad from Bangalore and a successful freelanpreneur. She got her first client in just 25 days. Great job. That's amazing, Mithuna.
Thank you, Bipin.
So tell me more about this client and how did you find them?
I found them on a Facebook group, and I felt that she has a potential. She's good at her business, so I approached her, asking like, "Do I can help you out in your business?" So she said, "Yes, I am looking for someone who is very passionate and who can help me out in my business." That's the way I got this first
So you,
client.
you use the same script that I gave you.
Yes, I use the same script, whatever you gave,
So
and
it
it really worked.
worked. Awesome.
Yeah.
And now you're, when will be the first call? Like what is that next thing?
Yeah, she's agreed to get on the call, and on the call we are going to discuss. She already had few questions about what are my services, how all I can help her in her business. So once we get on the call, we have decided that what is about her business and how I can
Got it.
give my help towards her business.
Got it. So, are you from digital marketing background or what's your background?
I am into web development. I was working for 9 years, and I had a break for 4 years, and I wanted to restart my career again, and that's how I found you.
So, you're already into web development.
Yes.
Okay, nice. So, web development was your core skill? Was that your core skill or anything
Personally,
else?
yes, but then a website it will have various modules. So I was into one particular module developing that.
Okay, okay, got it. So now you have learned more about digital marketing and many other things. Uh,
Yeah.
what is your experience so far?
I was always in a mindset that digital marketing is very difficult. It is not for people like us. So I thought I cannot do it. But then when I started taking the course, I realized this is so damn easy. Anyone can do it. If I can do it, anyone can do it. So that's the way. Technically, it was very easily and explained so simple that I could do it in like just few days.
Awesome. So, what all skills you learned? What all different skills that you learned in just 30 days?
Yeah, starting from first thing, the mindset, because if that is there, anything can be achieved. So the first thing I learned is about the mindset and about the conscious and subconscious mind that which I was never aware of, and other things like web development, which I thought is very difficult for an entrepreneur to develop their own website, but this was very easy. Had my content, creatives, everything ready, it can be done within 24 hours.
Okay.
So
So
I realized,
did you do the website?
yes, I have done my website.
You did this website the way that I thought, or your old techniques, which you.
No, no, the way that you thought, uh, right from scratch, like creating the logo till the content, I did everything on my own in the
Just
way you thought.
just a question out of curiosity. You had
Mm-hmm,
9 years of experience in the web development field, and you learned, website from me. Uh,
mm-hmm.
what was different?
Different was the websites that I was working previously were dynamic and very huge. They
Uh,
had so many modules, and it would go for months together. and client had so many changes every now and then. So we felt like this is never ending. So some at the other point we used to get disappointed with all this testing, debugging, and everything. But this is, I knew what I want. I'm the client, I'm the designer, so I know what I want, and I did it that way.
Okay. So it is very easy to develop this website.
Yeah, right.
Do you wish
Very.
that you knew this earlier so you could have used for
Yeah,
your
yeah,
clients as well?
yeah. Definitely, yes.
Nice. So in how many days you finished this website?
I first created all my creatives and get all the content ready, and I started and finished within 24 hours. That's it.
Wow, powerful.
Yeah.
Nice, good. So what are other skills you, first is mindset, you said. Okay,
Yeah.
you said learn mindset. How did this change your personal life or your way of looking at life? What changes you saw?
Yeah, the way of looking at life changed. It improved very much the quality because I never thought in that perspective. I never thought success would also come in this way. We can see success this way.
Mm,
I thought initially for me, rejection, I was very scared of rejections, but now I know how to handle rejections. I know
mm,
how to face them. I
mm.
know I have got the self confidence to speak to anybody,
Wow.
anybody. It could be any stranger. I can approach them and I can talk to them. Nothing can stop me, is what I can say.
Wow. And have you got a new perspective, new lens to look at life now? After,
Yes, yes, true, very true. Yes, the way I see everything has changed. It's not like before. It's not like just glance it and go. No, I see everything in depth now.
interesting. So where did this interest come that you want to be an entrepreneur or you wanted to work from home? How did this, like, where did this come from?
This is because since I'm a Bangalorean, I had a fear of stepping out into this Bangalore traffic, traveling all the way from home to company, work 9 to 5, get back home and do all the household work. So that is one thing in your ad which I saw, that quit 9 to 5 work, be a digital nomad. That is what attracted me, and I immediately clicked, saw all the YouTube videos, the testimonials, everything, and I was very impressed. And I thought, okay, this is what I was looking for. It has come to me like a calling. No, I have to do this. I have to be what
So,
I want.
so when you got when you connected with our team, whatever I promised in the ad, now we have gone through it. Did I deliver, or did we
Yes.
deliver as a team?
Yes, in fact, you delivered more than what I expected, because I thought, okay, reading just the headlines and the caption, I thought, okay, this is something it's gonna be like a few day training or something and all. But no, this 30-day thing was like 300 days training for me. So much of insight, so much of content that I thought, okay, can this all be learned in 30 days? I never thought. Had someone given me this like a notes, I would have read this for like 300 days. I
Uh,
wouldn't have finished it at all. But this was very simple, crisp, to the point, implement, practice, and I knew this can be done in 30 days.
Interesting, powerful, magical, right? 30 days.
Very powerful.
I'm more happy that you took the action. You learned so much. Um, that's great. That's growth. That's really growth. You got to tap your back.
Yeah, truly.
And you say, awesome, Mithuna. So
Yeah,
now it's all about implementing. It's all about walking this path.
yes,
That's it. Now, yeah, that's it. You're already into business now. The
yes.
dream of you wanted to work from home, take care of your loved ones.
Yeah,
The dream of doing that in 1 year, you just did it in 30 days.
yes,
And now, rejections is a part of the game, but I keep talking to people, I will have clients. You will have clients.
yes, yes.
More power to you. Very, very happy to hear your success, growth, all of this. It's journey. What is success? Success is not the end goal, it's the journey.
Yes,
The ups and downs that you go through, and then finally you achieve. That makes you happy. The final
yes,
goal doesn't make you happy.
true.
So yeah, so if somebody wants to join, a lot
Mhm.
of people say that Bipin is scam, Bipin is fake. Am I?
Mhm. No, no. I say no because in you are easily reachable to anyone. Whoever wants any doubt, they can reach out to you, ask you, and you're there to clarify it. Because I have myself seen it. No, any doubt, any help, you're there to reach out. So it cannot be a scam. It is not a scam. I can tell it.
And about the programs and the values, let's say, how powerful was your experience on a scale of 1 to 10?
I would say 10 on 10.
Okay.
No doubt, no second thought.
What is the community, about the community group? Did you get any help from the community?
Yes, definitely. I have taken so much of help from the group. Any simple doubt, I don't hesitate. I ask in the group, and there are people to help me anytime.
Awesome.
Any single doubt, yes, they also with so much of love they help us because thinking it is we are all one.
Yes. Yes. So that's the power of the group. That's the power of the community. Because
Yes,
you know, in this journey, your environment is more powerful than your willpower. So we need to have the right people who can help us, support us anytime.
yeah.
So yeah, there's a long way, but I would say you're on the right track. You're implementing. You have a client meeting, in a day or two. Uh,
Yeah.
I wish you good luck, and we're always
Thank
there to
you.
help you.
Yeah, thank you, Vipin. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It was really nice talking to you.
Yeah, same here. Thank you.